Welcome to EDU World Space.
So if we want to find the arc length of this curve from -5 to 5, what we're going to need to do is apply the following integral. So we're going to integrate from a to b of, so it would be dx by dt squared plus dy by dt squared plus dz by dt squared. And then we have the square root of all of that, and then we have dt on the outside. So if we go ahead and find these, and then plug everything in, from there we should be able to find our arc length. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we take the derivative, and actually let me scoot this down a little bit. So this is supposed to be x, so x is t. So if we take the derivative of this with respect to t, that would just give us 1. Then this here is going to be y, so we have y is equal to 3 cosine t, so we have dy by dt is equal to, well, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so this would be -3 sine t. And then this is going to be z, so z is equal to 3 sine t, and then dz by dt, well, the derivative of sine is cosine, so this would be 3 cosine t. And now we just need to come down here and plug these in. Oh, and our a and b is supposed to be our interval start and our interval end. So a is -5 and b is 5. So let's plug all that in now. So we'd have -5 to 5 of the square root of, so x's derivative is 1, so 1 squared is just 1, plus the derivative of y squared, which would be 9 sine squared t. The derivative of z squared is going to be 9 cosine squared t, and then we have dt. Now, if we factor out a 9 from this, we end up with sine squared plus cosine squared, and we know from trigonometry, or maybe even pre-calculus, that sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1, just Pythagoras. So that means this is just going to be equal to 9. So it's going to be the integral from -5 to 5 of the square root of, well, 1 plus 9, which is 10 dt. And now to integrate this, it would just be this root 10t evaluated from -5 to 5. So if we plug in 5, so root 10, 5, then minus 5, well, those cancel out and we get 10, so that would be 10 root 10. So the length of this curve would just be 10 times root 10.